The pollution strikes again. This is the factory that is polluting the ocean. Now, all the pollution is going into the ocean, as you can see. You can see the fish is sad because of its pollution. Now, it's red water. The fish is dying. So, this is why we must stop pollution. The fish is dying. It was flushed down. Now, where is it going? Another fish comes. That is where the fish go to their happy place. The happy place where all the fishes are happy. This is where the fish goes after pollution.
Skipping. Let's all hug. And Nevaeh. And Olivia. And here comes Haley with the fish. And Julia sliding across the playground.
And these random people.
That's not a video.